With a crunchy biscuit base and rich caramel filling, this Biscoff caramel slice is the ultimate treat. To make it, start with the base. Place Scotch Finger biscuits in a food processor and blitz until finely crushed. Add the melted butter and half the Biscoff spread and blitz again until well combined. Spoon the mixture into a slice pan lined with baking paper and press evenly over the base. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes or until firm. To make the filling, place the icing sugar, extra butter, remaining Biscoff spread, and 1/4 cup of water in a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of simmering water. Be careful not to let the bowl touch the water, as the mixture can seize. Stir the mixture until smooth and well combined. Then pour over the biscuit base and spread to an even layer. Place in the fridge for 15 minutes to set. Place the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, making sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Stir with a metal spoon until melted. Remove from heat. Pour the melted chocolate over the slice and smooth the surface. Working quickly before the chocolate sets, sprinkle over the chopped Biscoff and place in the fridge to set. Remove the slice from the pan and cut into pieces to serve. Loaded with rich, indulgent flavours, serve up this chocolate-topped Biscoff caramel slice and watch it disappear.